Okay guys, quick video here on Frankenstein today. I keep having trouble with this door. The latch here keeps falling off and you can't open the door from the outside. You got to open it from the inside. It keeps falling out. So what I found here is this is the door latch. You see it's got a black lock piece right there. That locks the rod that pushes down on the door latch to unlatch it. Well, that is a driver's side lock. You can see here, this is I have off of one of my trucks. It is a passenger side. You can see the lock is white, and you can also see that it goes on different. See how it latches differently? That's why it keeps falling off, because it needs this latch right here that locks the rod a little different way than the driver's side. So I'm going to swap these out. Hopefully the rod stays in there this time. I've tried to wire it and it won't even stay. So I'm going to swap this white one here into my door handle, and hopefully it should snap on real snug. I mean, these snap on really snug. This one here is just kind of snapping on it halfway. So, little tip there guys, there are differences in these door handles. You can't just swap little clips and stuff around because they are different. Okay, so that one snapped on really nice compared to that black one. The black one goes on the driver's side, white one goes on the passenger side. So I don't think that's going to fall off anytime soon. Like I said, it snapped on really nice. Same with the lock deal, snapped on really nice. So I'm gonna get this back up in there, bolt her up, and I don't think I'm gonna have any more trouble with that falling off. So just a quick video guys today on Project Frankenstein, just fixing a little small issue here. Small issue, but really annoying when you can't open your door. So that's gonna do it for this one guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.
If you like it up loud and you're hillbilly proud, then you know what I'm talking about. Let me hear you say, truck, yeah, I wanna get it jacked up, yeah, let's crank it on up, yeah, with a little bit of luck I can find me a